Good morning. Good afternoon. Reverend Elizabeth Mora coming to you on Wednesday, April 1st. I think I'm recording. I think I'm on live. Sometimes I'm not sure. I'm here with Pretty Kitty. She's like not looking at the, look at the screen? Yeah. So I thought I'd start out today with my cat. I'm guessing like most of you, if you have a pet at home, they just make your life so much more wonderful, don't they? I mean, a husband's good too. I'm glad that I have Arturo. And so Pretty wanted to say hi today. Want to say hi? Yeah. She really didn't. What she really wanted to do was she wanted to stay sleeping in her bed, but Pretty Kitty's with me today. And it's almost Easter time, so I've got some Easter jewelry. And yes, there is makeup today. My friend called it Makeup Monday when he saw me with makeup on Monday. And so, every now and then I just thought I'd kind of change things up. You never know whether there'll be makeup or not, or whether there'll be a cat, or whether there will be a costume or bunny ears. But here we are. If you're joining live, please put your name down in the chat box. Let me know that you're here. It's great to have interaction with folks and know that I'm not just speaking into a camera, but even if I am speaking into a camera, someday later someone may be watching. So we'll let the cat go and we'll get on with Facebook Live. Good morning and good afternoon. And today I'm going to read from the Daily Word. Get the cat hair off my face. I'm going to read from the Daily Word, but not the one for today. What I like to do sometimes is flip around and see if there's something else that speaks to me. And today I felt like offering something uplifting. I was looking for joy, and here's what I found. I found vigor. So I'm going to read from March 12th about vigor. I am empowered and energized with the spirit of life. Just as I take in physical food each day to strengthen my body, I open my heart and mind to the spiritual energy and life present within me. I am strengthened from within by the indwelling presence of God. I am strengthened from within by the indwelling presence of God. We'll take a moment and really know that for yourself. You may close your eyes. I am strengthened. I am strengthened. I am strength. There is strength within me. It has been encoded in my DNA. I am strengthened from within by the indwelling presence of God. It's more than just words. It's a feeling. It's a knowing. It's a presencing, a realization. There's all this strength right here. There is all this joy. There is all this compassion. There is everything right here in this moment. A simple visualization of light fills me with new vitality. I begin by imagining each of my cells as a pinpoint of light. 1,000 points of light, billions of points of light. I imagine that every cell in my body is a point of light, and I see how that shifts me. Wherever I might have been, I get in touch with it, and I can even feel that vibration. And when I think about the millions or billions of cells and atoms and everything at work in my body, such an amazing process that's happening right now, it makes me smile. It makes me realize how much is really going on underneath all of it. So much going on. Then I picture each tiny light growing brighter and brighter, connecting in a lattice work of radiance. I see them all connecting now. This cell feeds into the next one as there is energy transferred from cell to cell. I see the connection, like one of those images I might see on a science program, everything connected and lit up. I light up with the energy in my body now. As I envision my body Flooded with this spiritual essence, I feel its presence as it emanates all around me. I can even begin to feel, and if I close my eyes and feel the energy just in my hand, and if I focus there and notice that there is a presence there, there is an energy flowing, there is a feeling, a substance to it. And the more that I focus on my hand, I realize that the edges of my hand, it doesn't stop there. The feeling and the feel that is there goes beyond the skin. And I can even focus and imagine it growing, become aware of a greater and greater space around my hand where the energy is present. That's the awareness that can continue to grow as I'm on this spiritual journey. I feel its presence as it emanates all around me, connecting my awareness with my source. I breathe deeply as I quietly affirm that the life of God is my true identity. This is the truth of who you are. This is your truth. This energy, this vitality, this vigor, this vibrance. Many V words today. And when I get in touch with that, when I consciously bring it forth and remember it, I'm strengthened. I breathe deeply as I quietly affirm that the life of God is my true identity. I am vibrant, strong, and made whole by this dynamic power. I am vibrant, strong, and made whole by this dynamic power. I am vibrant, strong, and made whole by this dynamic power. An affirmation that we can take with us, especially as we face this virus outbreak. And we want to be as healthy as we can be. We want to keep our immune system up. We want to keep our consciousness up. We can affirm, I am vibrant, strong, and made whole by this dynamic power, by the energy of life that is within me, that is all around me, whether we call it God or life or energy or however we call it, whatever we call it, you can feel it at the core of you. It's not a matter of belief. It's not a matter of religion or naming it. It's an embodying. It's right here. It's already here. And our scripture reading today is from Luke 9:29. And while he was praying, the appearance of his face changed, and his clothes became dazzling white. When we truly see someone, when we truly see ourselves, we are dazzling white, almost transparent. That's the truth of us. When we see, as Cyndi Lauper calls it, our true colors. And if there's anyone online with me right now, if you would just put your name down, add the comment and say hi. I'm trying out the new Facebook producer instead of the old app, and I'm noticing that I don't have everybody in the comment box. It could be my connection, I don't know, but it would be nice to know if anyone is online with me today. Boy, I really got some cat hair on my face. I don't see anyone, but that's okay. I'm doing it for me. And as I was reading this daily word today on vigor from March 12th, while he was praying, the appearance of his face changed and his clothes became dazzling white. It's like they saw Jesus for the first time. When we really look at ourselves, into each other, when we really, really look, it's like we see each other for the very first time. We see who we truly are. And I wanted to share with you then a little song from Cyndi Lauper that kind of goes along with that idea that seeing the truth of us. Sing along. True colors. Cyndi Lauper. You with the sad eyes, don't be discouraged. Oh, I realize it's hard to take courage in a world full of people. You can lose sight of it all, and the darkness inside you can make you feel small. But I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors. That's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors, beautiful like a rainbow. Show me a smile that don't be unhappy. Can remember when I saw you laughing. If this world makes you crazy and you've taken all you can bear, you can call me up, 'cause you know I'll be there. And I'll see your true colors shining through. See your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors, beautiful like a rainbow. Dance break. Show your true colors. If this world makes you crazy, you take you can bear. You can call me up, 'cause you know I'll be there. And I'll see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors. True colors are shining through. I see your true colors. That's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors, beautiful like a rainbow. Your true colors, they shine through. I see the real you. God bless. Be well.